Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sous vide cooking with an exciting product that will elevate your culinary game, the Anova Precision Cooker Nano, and its perfect companion, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer. We found these products online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this Anova Precision Cooker Nano? This compact sous vide tool is designed to help you achieve perfect cooking results every time. The Nano circulates water at the precise temperature required for your meals, ensuring that you'll never overcook or undercook your food again. Whether you're cooking chicken, fish, vegetables, beef, or even eggs, this device guarantees a level of doneness that's simply unmatched. One of the standout features of the Anova Precision Cooker Nano is its small but mighty design. At just 12.8 inches long, it fits easily in any kitchen drawer, making it a convenient addition to your cooking arsenal. It attaches effortlessly to any stock pot or container with a sturdy clamp, and its durable plastic construction means it's easy to clean and maintain. Another highlight of this product is its partnership with Vide. When you purchase the Anova Precision Cooker Nano, 5% of the sale goes to the Global Fund to combat global health emergencies like AIDS and COVID-19. This means that by choosing this product, you're not just investing in your kitchen, you're also contributing to a worthy cause. Now, let's talk about who this product is suitable for. If you're someone who loves cooking or wants to impress your family and friends with restaurant-quality meals at home, the Anova Precision Cooker Nano is a fantastic choice. Even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, this tool is user-friendly and makes sous vide cooking accessible to everyone. But what about practical use cases? Imagine being able to prep your meals in advance, locking in flavor and moisture. The Anova Precision Cooker allows you to do just that. You can sous vide a perfect steak, ensuring it's cooked to your desired doneness, or tenderize tough cuts of meat effortlessly. It's also ideal for cooking delicate items like fish or vegetables, which can easily lose their texture and flavor with traditional cooking methods. To complement the precision cooker, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer is a game changer. It ensures that no air enters your vacuum bags, which is crucial for sous vide cooking. The sealer is incredibly easy to use. Simply place your food in the bag, season it, and with the press of a button, remove the air and seal it tight. It even comes with 10 pre-cut bags to get you started right away. In conclusion, the Anova Precision Cooker Nano and Precision Vacuum Sealer are excellent tools that will transform your cooking experience. They provide precision, convenience, and a way to bring professional cooking techniques right into your home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.